Presenting the Super Toy LCD Writing Tablet, the 2019 upgraded screen electronic writing board, doodle and scribble board, memo notes for kids and adults at home, school and office. It is a multicolor product. Product dimensions are 3 by 10 by 20 centimeters and it weighs at 120 grams. It comes equipped with a pen and one-touch erase button. It has 8.5-inch LCD display. The pressure-sensitive screen lets you create thick and thin lines. One-touch button erases notes easily. The box includes the tablet and the writing pen. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.